Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how do we make the text follow the path which we give them. By default in Photoshop, we are able to write the text in horizontal form. More we can do is, we can just write the text in vertical form. So these are the predefined path which Photoshop allows us to write. So besides this, we can change the style of the text. We can make it bulged by simply using text warp. This is the feature provided by Photoshop. So we select the text and click on this icon. So when we click here, a floating window for warp text will appear. This will allow us to change the style of the text. So we can bulge the text. Similarly, we can make the text appear in arc. We can also make the text to be in wave form. So since our text was so small, we could not identify whether the text style is waved or not, so we will make the text a bit more longer. Let's make it sample text. Now we see the text is a bit more tilted this side. So this is a waveform. So these are the by default Photoshop styles, but this is not what we wanted. We wanted to make the text follow the path we give them, or any path. So to do so, first of all we draw a path. So how do we draw the path? So to draw a path, we click on the pen tool, the shortcut is P, and make sure we have the path selected, not the shape. So we draw the path. Here is our path. Now how do we make our text follow this path? It's really simple. So at first we select the text tool. Let me show you one thing. The normal symbol of text is I with a strike over it. But when we hover the mouse on the path, we are able to see the same symbol, but this time a curve on it. So this will allow us to write text on the path. So as soon as we see this, we click here. So our text will start from here. So I write here, this is my path. So you see the letters here have disappeared. Why did this happen then? This happened because the path we provided was shorter. So we need to move the initial point or the starting point of the text a bit that side. So how do we do so? We select the path selection tool and click here and drag here. When we click this, in this way we can change the initial point of our text. We can change anywhere we want. Not only the path, we can also make the text follow a predefined shape. So let's try that. So let's first delete this layer and also the path. Now first what we do is we draw a circle or any shape we want. Press and hold shift key to draw a perfect circle, and here it is. Now when we click on the text tool and hover our mouse on the boundary of the circle, we see the same symbol, I with a curve on it. But when we get inside the circle, we see I with a circular dot or circle on the symbol. What does this mean then? This will allow us to write the text inside the circle. See here. See, we wrote inside the circle, but this was not what we wanted. So let's undo it, Ctrl Z. So again we hover the mouse on the boundary or on the outline and click there. Now we can write here. Now you see we could not be able to write the path because it was too long, so we select the text and reduce the size. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.